is not what we agreed to.
Sure it is. This was your idea, Haley. Urban homesteading, farming right in the heart of the city.
Small-scale farming.
Small scale that gets your engine revving. You're gonna love our new tiny farm. Come on, everybody, I'll give you the tour.
How are we gonna sleep?
Not on a stack of 20 Downy
The
mattresses.
National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dawes County, Sheridan County, and Cherry County
Anyway, I'll show
at
you how you'll
6:46
sleep.
p.m. Central Standard
There are farm
Time.
hours.
Severe rain
Head by
showers
four,
were
up at
located
two.
along the line
Hey, boy.
extending from Crawford to Valentine. Moving 97 miles.
Open up this oil painting.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Nebraska Emergency Management Agency. Multiple thunderstorm strikes have been reported within the northwestern Nebraska area. However, these are not normal strikes. These strikes are contagious and are known to disintegrate anything within its path.
It's not what it looks like.
However, these strikes have been reported within nearby states, such as southeastern Wyoming and southwestern South Dakota. If you live within the vicinity of these strikes, please evacuate now. Grab necessary supplies such as non-perishable food, water, and a first aid kit. Please stay tuned to the station for more info.
Oh yeah, we're raising spiders now too. I'm gonna sell them to a Spider-Man, which we'll never see, of course, because we're forgoing all modern technology. I'm paying them. Done. We'll need maximum discipline because this homestead must succeed. I quit my job and took out a mortgage with a 39% interest rate to pay for the renovation.
You did what?
The bankers were high-fiving while I signed the papers. Wasn't that? I should have been a red flag.
Less about me becoming farm tough and more about you being so farm stupid.
Shunner, Stan! She talketh back to thee, dude! Hold up, wait though, I want to get this for my TikTok.
Google!
Oh shit, I'm gonna get shunned, aren't I?
Roger has violated the rules of the farm.